Yuvraj Singh has undergone an MRI following his ankle injury, the one he picked up against Australia on Sunday. Now, is he going to play on Thursday? That is the big question. Let's go across to my colleague Harini Rana now, who joins us with the latest. Harini, it does look like the team is already looking at a cover for Yuvraj Singh. We do understand Manish Pandey, who's been brought in, of course, as cover, as well as Ajinkya Rahane, who would perhaps be the front runner to take Yuvraj's spot. Both of them were out there practicing today. I'm going to try and go across to Harini in just a minute, but Anand Narasimhan also with us on this. Now, Anand, Yuvraj has undergone that MRI to try and ascertain exactly how bad the injury is. What is it looking like? Do we know the nature of the injury? And is there a chance that he might play on Thursday?
Well, here's the thing. He's hurt his ankle, but it's not a ligament tear, nor is it a cracked bone. Now, what's happened with Yuvraj Singh is that he's collected water around the injury where he sprained the ankle. Now, this is a very unique condition which happens especially when you've you've sprained your ankle as if in an activity that you were running, or it's been on an uneven surface, and it happens with athletes. Now, that's exactly what happened. He sprained the ankle, mind you, when he hit a shot and he was going to set off for a run, and that's when he twisted it. Now, with water around the ankle, what medically they say it can take anywhere between days to weeks to months, depending upon the intensity of the injury, Tina. And that's exactly what we have to be concerned about, because at this point in time, see, he continued to play even after he sustained the injury. He continued to run. Now, they did come and apply some spray and tape that ankle, but he did put weight and pressure on it. The fact that Manish Pandey has been called in, the fact that you've got Rahane and Manish Pandey hitting out at the nets very clearly says that it is going to take some time for him to recover. Even as he walked out of the Mumbai airport the other day, he was not walking comfortably. The ankle has been very, very heavily taped, and that's exactly what is what we are given to understand is it's going to take more than about 48 hours for him to recover. And Dhoni that day also said he sounded very apprehensive when he said we might have to call for a cover. We'll know the nature of the injury in 24 hours, and that's exactly why it looks like Yuvraj is a big question mark for that semi-final. There might be a replacement that might just come in so that they can keep him ready for the final if India just go through.
You know, that's the thing, Anand, the very fact that Manish Pandey was called in, you know, Ajinkya Rahane has already been there. He's been warming the bench for this tournament. He's already there. But the fact that one extra cover has been called in does make it sound like Yuvraj is probably not going to be playing on Thursday.
Yes, and they might not want to risk him because it's going to take more time for him to recover if he exerts himself. Now, this is a condition where they say you need to have physio, you need to give it rest, you need to give it time to heal. Along with physio and medication, you can heal, but it can take at least a week for you to get back into training, and cricket demands a lot out of the athletes and out of the players. And would you want a fit Yuvraj for a final rather than risk a half-fit Yuvraj and play him at the Wankhede? That's the question that Dhoni has to answer.
Plan, in fact, Anand, that sounds like the game plan. In fact, perhaps, you know, just to make sure that Yuvraj is ready and rested for the final. Let's go across to Harini now, and let's find out exactly what the practice session was like for Rahane and Manish Pandey. Harini?
Well, Tina, if I could hear you properly, it was about the training session that was attended by Ajinkya Rahane and Manish Pandey. Essentially, they have been here for close to 2 hours. The fact that Manish Pandey has joined the team, apart from batting, of course, there were fielding drills as well. So it's a clear indicator that all's not well with Yuvraj Singh. What we're given to understand is that he's undergone an MRI scan earlier this morning along with the physiotherapist. They're waiting on the report, but the team management is aware that UV is racing against time. What we're given to understand is that there is water bubble formation on his ankle, which is something that is a concerning matter for the Indian team management. Though most of the members do believe that they will wait till the very end, but the fact that Manish Pandey along with Ajinkya Rahane were there for close to 2 hours is a clear indicator that they are keeping them ready, especially with the fact that the MRI scans, what we're given to understand, Dhoni after the match did say that we will look at the injury 24 hours later, and the support staff do believe that even though he might just make it in time, but they do not want to take a chance because the injury is of a serious nature. So they are looking to not risk him, even if it's the semi-final. They would want him to get ready for the final if India is looking at that as well.
Well, that's what it looks like. In fact, the fact that Manish Pandey was brought in fact, it does indicate that they're perhaps looking at Yuvraj not playing on Thursday. Also, let's not forget that he picked up the injury and then continued playing in that game against Australia. So perhaps he could have even aggravated the injury, and therefore the team management might be thinking that, you know, it's best to let him rest should India make the final.
Well, absolutely, Tina. In fact, Yuvraj Singh, what we're given to understand is that since the time he landed, he was limping a bit. He has not joined the squad. The squad is staying at the team hotel. Most of the Mumbai players had gone home. Some of them have resumed and joined the squad, but UV is yet to join the team. But earlier this morning, what we're given to understand, he met up with the physiotherapist. He underwent an MRI scan. The team management waiting for the report. They did realize that at that point of time when he was batting at Mohali, he would have aggravated, even though he was trapped completely because he could not move. So that's something that was a precautionary measure, but clearly the damage was done then when he continued to stay on the wicket despite that injury. So that's something that the team management is looking at, even though most of the members do believe that there is a possibility that he will be fit, but some of the members that we have spoken to from the team management, they do admit that it's a race against time for UV to be fit. It's not something that's very serious, but it is something that will need a bit of rest.